So I just installed the Weller Racing clutch on my Wolverine X2 and gonna go out and give it some speed runs. The things I have installed for mods are the Alba Racing ECU reflash, got me to 56 miles per hour. The Uni filter, which gave me another mile per hour, so top speed of 57. And I'm running 27-inch Bighorn 2s all the way around. So I'm gonna go out and do a couple of passes and see what kind of performance we're getting out of this new clutch. Be back soon.
The ECU and UniFilter times I saved were the best times of several runs. The Weller Racing clutch times are the average of 8 speed runs on the same section of road going both directions over 2 days. The GoPro GPS didn't work the first day, so I had to do it all over. Though the data shows the 0 to 30 times are about the same, I can confidently say the Weller clutch has given me faster times at low, mid-range, and top end. My best 0 to 30 time was 2.9 seconds and my worst was 5.1. I must have been driving up a slight hill with a breeze. The average data does show a major performance boost from 30 miles per hour and up, and driving it tells me that performance is up everywhere.